Okay, so this is the second question, and the question is that we are going to evaluate the indefinite integral using the u substitution. And this is what we started out with. We're going to take what's inside the parentheses here, and that's going to be our u, and we're going to set it equal to u, and then we're going to take the derivative of u with respect to dx, which equals 6x to the fifth by taking the derivative of u. And then we are going to set this right here equal to dx. And so this dx, we're going to be able to plug in to the dx that's in our equation here. So our next step is we say the integral of x to the fifth, u to the third times du times 1 over 6x to the fifth. That's where this dx gets plugged in right here. So we get a pretty nice situation where we can cross out like terms. So we have an x to the fifth right here and another one right there, which we can cross out. So now we get u to the third, like the integral of u to the third, but we can take the we can take the coefficient of 1/6 out of that, and then we take the integral or antiderivative. They're the same thing, of the u to the third. So we add 1 to the power, and we take the inverse, which is 1/4, and put it in front of the u and make that a coefficient, and then we multiply our original the coefficient that we had out here, 1/6, by that 1/4 to get 1 over 24. But let's backtrack because I went way too fast. So we have this u, right? So all we need now to find the indefinite integral is to substitute for this u term what we said u was earlier, and we said u was 4 plus x to the sixth. So we plug in u, so now we have 4 plus x to the sixth, and we have that original power there to the fourth, and we put in c because we know in an indefinite integral that there's a constant here, but we don't know what that constant is per se, but we know that there is something there. So we represent that with a c. So in the final answer is, when we multiply these two things together, 1 over 24 times 4 plus x to the sixth, all to the fourth power, plus c.